Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Ultra Hybrid 01 from Spigen for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So the 01 case definitely caught my eye, just a very cool design, and it just basically shows you an idea of what your phone looks like on the inside. And they do make this for other phone models also, so if you don't have an S23 Ultra, they do have different variations of this case for those. Now this case runs $18.99 right now. They do have different options for the hybrid case. So you've got crystal clear, frost black, frost green, matte black, and sand beige. Those are on the transparent side, so you can actually see what the phone looks like on the back. I don't think this one is, but it does feature the same overall design of the case. So it's going to have a TPU bumper, polycarbonate back, raised cutouts for your camera and for your screen to protect those, and of course it'll have nice buttons and cutouts for everything else. So we'll go ahead and take a look at it. All right, taking a look at the box, you can see we have Spigen branding and a photo of the case right here. This is a paper box, which is nice, so it is recyclable. Go ahead and take a look at our case. We have a little designed for Samsung wireless charger, I guess, that you can get a little advertisement, I guess, for it. And then here is the case. So we'll go ahead and take off the wrapper. All right, and as you can see, this looks absolutely awesome. So there are some transparent portions, so you will be able to see a little bit of the back of the phone. And you can see that design just looks absolutely awesome. And you can see we have individual cutouts for the cameras, which is nice. So you can definitely see that will be protected. This is gonna be a very nice slim case, so it's not gonna add a lot of bulk. It does seem pretty rigid, so you should have a little bit of drop protection, which is nice. And then you can see that design kind of goes on the inside as well. Really, really cool. So we'll go ahead and pop our phone in and take a quick look at it. And wow, that looks so good. So of course, again, you can see some of the portions of your phone. I have the black or graphite color, so you really probably won't see too much of it, but still looks absolutely awesome with this case. So you can see the individual cutouts, a little bit of how those modules may look, battery and all that good stuff. So really, really cool. Galaxy Edition 01 looks absolutely awesome. You can see where the USB-C port and everything is. And you can see how that looks in the light. Just looks really, really cool. Just a really cool looking case. So taking a look at the side, it is that TPU material as they mentioned. So nice and smooth to the touch. Same thing on the other side. No branding or anything there that I can see. But you can kind of see your phone a little bit. It is kind of like a darkened gray or black color to darken that up a little bit. On the side, you can see our button covers. We do have ridges on the power key. No engravings on the volume, but they are nice and clicky. Same thing with our power key, nice and clicky as well. Taking a look at the bottom for our cutouts, you can see we have a very nice large opening for our USB-C, so you can fit most chargers in there. Microphone's good, speaker is good, and you can see we have a nice cutout for our S Pen, and that is kind of indented, so that's pretty nice. So very easy to access, so that's really, really nice. Actually, that is one of the better ones, I have to say, from what I can feel here. Very easy to get that out. Now taking a look at the protection on the front, you can see that the top and the bottom are more pronounced than the sides. Of course, we have that curved glass on the side, so it doesn't raise too much over that, which is nice. Top and bottom is really nice as well. And this does feel pretty tight all the way around. Yeah, very tight actually. So that's really, really nice to see. But of course, it does work with third-party screen protectors. This screen protector is not great, as you can see, but it works just fine with it. It's not lifting or anything like that. So if you are going to use a screen protector, that will work just fine with this. And of course, you got that little lay on the table protection as well. And on top, you can see we have another cutout for our microphone. That is perfect. You can still kind of see a little bit inside the phone, but kind of hard to see just because of that darkened color. But overall, just a really, really cool looking case. And it is very easy to remove also. So of course, you can go at the corners like so, pop it out just like so. Now, this does not have a magnet in it for MagSafe accessories, but should work just fine with wireless chargers, as you can see here. So no magnet to keep it, but if you want to use wireless chargers, this will work just fine. And there you go, a quick look at the 01 Ultra Hybrid for the S23 Ultra. Definitely an awesome, awesome looking case. I'll leave this link down below if you want to check it out. Any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.